66 Chevrolet Malibu, just in it, unique, especially in classics. Two-door hardtop or two-door sports coupe. And look at the stance of this car. Just looks fast sitting there. 383 stroker underneath the hood that is paired up with a Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Has a V-belt set up underneath there. Nice looking engine bay, and we're going to check it out here at the end of this video. We're going to start it up, let's hear this thing run. But first, let's take a good look at the front headlight surrounds, grille. As you can see, that monochromatic look with the white out bumper. Actually, it really works in this car. As you can see, paint shows well, interior shows well, and it should. This restoration was finished in 2019, has less than 1,000 miles on it since it's been finished. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on this rally style wheel, Chevy center caps, and of course the beauty rings. Great look on these cars from this vintage, and look at how straight this thing is. And again, you can see the luster coming off that white paint all the way down, and I've not really noticed anything for nicks, dings, or scratches on this one. And this turquoise vinyl interior, great combination, something you don't see every day. Seat belts, there's that 4-speed manual. Shifter on the floor, center buckets. Nice looking clean dash, a little bit of that resto mod look to this one. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's going to be a car cover. California Dust is going to be in the trunk of this, FYI, to the next lucky owner. Once again, still pictures. Check this one out, top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. Of course, dual exhaust. Wider tire in the back also than the front, and obviously a little bit bigger rim. And that's where that stance is coming from. Great look. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, free of really any nicks, dings, or scratches that I have noticed. I'd say there's probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. So again, take your time, look through them, check them out. You're going to hear it run here in just a little bit. It's that turquoise interior. Door panel or door cards look good. Look at the seat. Again, very low miles on this. I believe it's actually 500. Since the restoration, we're going to look at the odometer cluster was put in at the time of restoration. All this information coming from the previous owner. What a look. A little more modern dash and gauges. Headliner. All right, let's fire this up. We want to look under the hood too. First, let's listen to it. All right. And you can see those gauges come to life. Voltmeter working fine. Oil pressure coming up. Tack. That was a cold start, FYI. There's your water temperature and fuel gauge. Little modern output for a USB charger. As far as the stereo, it powers up. I have not had any sound out of it, FYI. It is powered up. Blower fan does work. Wiper fans work. Kind of a carbon fiber look to the grille. Just nice and clean the way it's finished off in here. Tilt column. Sure, we're neutral. And nothing crazy over the top of it, you know, for the exhaust. Just sounds nice. I mean, yeah, does it have a rumble to it? You're gonna hear you pulling up. Absolutely. Nothing wild. 86 badging on here. No previous owner states. 383 stroker. Looks like it's got a Summit block. And we're going to go into a little bit more of this here as soon as I pop this hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so take a peek at this hood. Nice looking underneath there. Remember I said Edelbrock Performer intake, Holly carb. I talked about that earlier, I can't remember. So Edelbrock Performer intake, RPM intake, Holly carb, headers, power steering, power brakes, tubular control arms, 2 electric puller fans with shrouds. We've got a V-belt set up. So nice setup on this thing too. It's a fun one, get in, take down the road, heater hose is hooked up. Nice clean firewall. Nice, simple, clean looking engine bay. Wow. 1966 Chevrolet Malibu. 2-door sports coupe. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email